Busy box DIY. I've taken a cardboard box, covered it with a wrapper, white side in front, and on one side I'm using these animals. I'll cut them two parts. One I'll stick it and another I'll apply the velcro so that we can use it as a animal puzzles. It's gonna be very interesting. And on another side I am going to use earbuds. See, I've made holes so that baby can push the earbuds down. You can also use pom-poms, and on one side I'm applying this using these spoons to balance the pom-poms, or on one side I am keeping it open so that we can take out whatever he puts inside. So to give a personalized touch, I am writing his name. You can do one more activity on this side. We need more activities to engage more to the baby, but I know his patience level is not so much, so I'm just doing 3-4 activities. So our DIY box is ready. I'm just naming it to look it more beautiful. Now I'll show you how it is. One side it's named, one side has spoons, one side open, one side earbuds, animals, and yeah, I forgot to tell you this zip. We have this zip stuck here, and one side one part I've kept it empty so that he can stick stickers or something. Now you can see how he's playing with it, and he was just loving it initially, for sure. He's always excited for new activity, but for how much time he'll get engaged I really don't know, but he is loving it for now. He was mostly engaged for the zip because he was not able to open the zip, and he was loving this opening and closing of the zip, which he was not able to do. See, you can see how he is chased by this zip. So guys, this is an amazing activity. You can try this with your kids and tag me if you try it out. You can include any kind of activity in this. Any other activity you can include pom-pom. You can use balls, or you can use ice cream sticks to balance the pom-poms. Anything, whatever is available with you, easily available with you, and keep one side open so that you can easily take out the stuff. So engage your baby with this amazing busy box, and if you do an innovation, let me know what you're doing it. I will love to know about it. And also, if you like it, do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also switch on your notification button. Also follow me on Instagram and share with your friends. Stay tuned to Mom's Cruise for more such activities. Thank you.